Hello and welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you some amazing Windows programs and features. Let's dive in. First, we're gonna start with Microsoft PowerToys. It's a free app that we can find and install from Microsoft Store. PowerToys is a set of utilities designed to enhance productivity and customization. Besides providing us different options, advanced paced, always on top, awake is quite a good feature as you don't need to enter anymore in control panel to enable it. If, for example, you're running complex processes or rendering, that way, if you keep it awake, you'll be sure your computer will not gonna go to sleep or shut down. Color picker, command not found, crop and lock, environmental variables, fancy zones. This will gonna allow you to create complex window layouts and make it easier to snap windows. Besides all these other options, we have power rename. This will gonna allow you to rename more files like in bulk. In the same time, we have PowerToys Run. This is a quick launcher that helps you to find and launch different applications and also allows you to perform different commands. Furthermore, we have Keyboard Manager. This is a utility that allows you to remap the keys and make it custom for yourself. Image Resizer is a menu extension that allows you to resize images directly from File Explorer and supports a lot more formats. Another interesting one is Color Picker. This one helps you to identify colors. For example, if you have a wallpaper and you want to see the code for a color from an exact point, you can use it and we're gonna provide you the precise code for the color. Shortcut guide, it's an overlay that displays all the available keyboard shortcuts for that window and makes life a lot easier to navigate through Windows. And the best part with PowerToys, it's an open source project. Every time you're gonna have an update for this program, probably new features will gonna appear. Second program, Lively Wallpaper. As a program, it helps to animate more your desktop and your PC, making it more fun and with a sleek design. For example, if we check fluids and set as wallpaper, look how interesting it is. While you're moving your mouse, all the screen becomes alive. That's really fun. Let's try a different one. If you liked Matrix movie, you can have this one. And of course, for every single one of them, you can customize them. So let's go customize and the rainbow speed. Here we're gonna make it faster or slower. If you like different colors, I know, red, yellow, green, blue. I'm gonna stay with green because I love it. Moreover, if you go in settings, we're gonna provide you more options. And of course, we're gonna ask you if you want to start with the Windows, like for performance, if you're on a laptop, or if you want to use the battery or just when it's plugged. You have many other options here. Let's go to the next one. Third one, it's Windows speech recognition. To use this, we just need to open a text editor, let's say Notepad, and we're gonna press Windows and H, and it's already running. Trust me, if it understands me, it will gonna understand you. We have command prompt. Let's go Windows, and we're gonna type CMD, run as administrator. Yes. Let's drag it. And here what we can improve is the background color, text writing, and of course the title. Let's start with the text color, and we have color /?. This command is to show us all the colors and all the values. And as we have a matrix background, let's type color 02. That will gonna match with the background. Now if you want to change the color of the background, for that we just go in properties, so click right, properties, and we go to colors. Besides having the ability to change the colors, the background colors, however you want, we can change even the opacity. Unfortunately, if we're gonna leave it like this, let's see, is not very good as our background will gonna interfere with the writing. So let me see if we have white writing. Now it's better. Furthermore, you can change even the title. Let's put subscribe, enter, and here we have subscribe. Shameless plug. Let's jump to the next one. Yes, you heard me right, I said paint. Did you know since they've done the last update, you can delete the background from a picture? Let me show you. I'm just gonna drag a picture with myself, and now if we press this button here, remove background, with the help of AI, we're gonna automatically delete the background. Now if you want to clean taskbar, if we go right click on taskbar and go settings, normally you're gonna have like this. So what I do, I just widgets off. After I'm gonna hide the search box because it's already incorporated in start button, Windows start button, so it's pointless. Copilot in Windows, I'm just gonna put it off. That way you can declutter your taskbar. Moreover, if you want even more customization, we just go in Microsoft Store, and here we have translucent taskbar. We just press get it, it's free. After installation, as you're gonna see, it's already translucent. And now let's minimize. And that's the result. Thank you for watching, and don't forget, if you found this video useful, like and subscribe. Have a nice one.